Hi, my name is Alessandra a.merizzi, clinical psychologist and researcher at Pennine Care NHS Foundation Trust in the UK and IRCA in Italy. I've been collaborating with the University of Wollongong in Australia for the realization of the UK Dementia and Driving Decision Aid, DDDA, as the UK National Coordinating Investigator of the project. The DDDA is a person-centered resource that enables drivers with dementia to be central in the decision about driving retirement, and planning for alternative mobility options. This tool was originally developed in Australia by a multidisciplinary health and research team, which also involved older drivers with dementia as co-designers. The resource structure adopted the principles of the International Patient Decision Aid Standards, as well as other personal aid decision frameworks. An Australian pilot study showed a reduction of decision conflicts regarding driving cessation after the use of the booklet. The DDDA has been translated in different languages and culturally adopted in New Zealand, US, Taiwan, and now in the UK. Also, educational models for healthcare practitioners were developed on the theme of dementia and driving and the use of the booklet, which is available at www.adeher.org.au. The collaboration between the UK and Australia began about 5 years ago as a response to the needs of people living with dementia, which were voiced during meetings of a dementia campaigning group, Let's Be Heard, in Oldham. At the time, the group wanted to focus on the topic of driving and understand more about the process of driving retirement, as this felt unclear and unfair. Kate Waffer and other Dementia Alliance international members suggested us to contact Professor Victoria Traynor, and the research idea for a UK version of the DDDA booklet blossomed. The research project involved people living with dementia, their family carers, and healthcare professionals who were recruited through various channels, including the NHS. This required a thorough ethical approval obtained from the Health Research Authority with the great help of Pennine Care Research Department. The study included 3 phases. The first one was for the development of a UK draft version of the aid that was finalized by a subgroup from the Oldham Memory Assessment and Treatment Service team. The second phase consisted in collecting data for the review and development of this first draft version. Comments and feedback, mainly from healthcare professionals, were collected from an online survey, which was spread nationally. Also, face-to-face and online interviews took place in Oldham area to include the voices of people living with dementia, with driving experience, and their family carers. Finally, the research team, enriched by a new site, Dorset Healthcare University NHS Foundation Trust, analyzed the collected comments and suggestions, carefully selected the ones that were more frequent and relevant to the booklet and its principles, and finalized the UK version of the Dementia and Driving Decision Aid booklet. The UK DDDA booklet is now available as a PDF file, free downloadable from ADHER website in the Dementia and Driving section under DDDA International Adapted Versions. Thanks for listening.